As Part 2 begins, the tactical threat has downscaled, but the administrative confusion remains. Watch as the 12-year-old daughter, who was just in handcuffs moments ago, calmly explains the systemic glitch to officers. She perfectly details how their previous car was stolen and why the old plates are still linked to this new vehicle. It's a striking moment where a child identifies the exact database failure that triggered a high-risk felony stop.
Nobody's in trouble. It's just when we ran it, it just came back stolen. So
they stole our other one.
I know that's what your mom was saying.
Yeah, they stole our other one, and we live like so close.
Oh, yeah.
And they stole it, and we reported it, and I guess supposedly, it said that this one is stolen, but it's really not.
Well, because what your mom was telling me is that she put the plates of
just today.
Stolen vehicle. Yeah, but on our end,
from the other vehicle because they stole it, and she wanted to get the same exact plate.
Right, but on our end, when we run it, the car comes back stolen because it's listed as stolen.
Probably someone put it as stolen because we reported it as stolen.
Right. So when you report it stolen and you put those same plates of that stolen vehicle on a different car, when we run it behind this car, it'll come up as stolen. So then we're thinking, hey, this car is stolen. You know what I mean? But obviously, when we run the van, it's a misunderstanding. Kind of like the plate should not be on that car. Otherwise, it's going to show up as stolen. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So nobody's in trouble. We're just confirming it.
Is she cool?
Yeah, is that your dad? Yeah.
The dynamic shifts when the father arrives on scene. When questioned, he confirms their Jeep was stolen a few months prior.
Yes, my father.
Yeah? Okay. Yeah, so she was telling me that you guys reported your Jeep Wrangler stolen yesterday.
Yeah, but there's a couple years ago.
Yeah. Oh,
a couple months ago.
Oh, yeah. So
they reported stolen a couple months ago.
So when you report it stolen with the plate,
you're supposed to get the DMV report and everything, and we get the new place and barely get it today.
Yeah.
In the house.
So she was saying that you guys put the plate from the Wrangler that was stolen onto here. So when we run it on ours, it comes back stolen. It comes back stolen.
And I asked that guy, that guy, the DMV, if he's not in trouble to make the same place, he said, no, that's fine.
Yeah.
The car is ready paying the insurance and all this stuff.
Yeah, they were wrong. So I would call the DMV and be like, yeah, you guys need to give me a different plate, or you guys, because also the plate doesn't register to this car. It still registers to that Wrangler.
Yeah.
So you guys would have to get a different plate and go to the DMV to prevent this confusion. And otherwise, if you're driving this car and cops run it, it's still going to come back stolen. Yeah, it's going to come back stolen. Unless, obviously, did you guys get the Wrangler back?
No, it's got the insurance paid total loss, so you never find it.
Okay,
so my wife tried to get the same place, so that way you get the same place in the car.
Yeah, so I would go to the DMV, and then obviously I would take the plates off and get that registered to so it's registered to this specific car. Otherwise, it's still stolen and everything. So nobody's in trouble or anything. It's just yeah, we're just making sure a stolen car or anything. So.
If you don't mind, sir, what's your daughter's date of birth?
Listen to the officer's advice here. Instead of defending the system, he warns the father that driving with these plates will continue to trigger automated police alerts and potential misuse tickets. He advises them to head back to the DMV tomorrow to force a hard reset on the registration profile. As the female officer finishes helping Ms. Sanchez, a high-stakes felony stop concludes not with citations, but with basic administrative advice.
You're mad, bro.
Yeah, it's weird. I mean, I asked him before we get the place, and he said, yeah, the other one is already done, so he's able to get that one. And
DMV is wrong for doing that. Definitely wrong, yeah. Because, like, it would be still like a misuse of plates, too, because it's not even registered to this car. So, I mean, I don't want you guys to get a ticket for that either.
But we got the register, and then you got to come show the year of this car and the plate rate and all that stuff.
Yeah, DMV, yeah, that's wrong with the DMV. So, I would go to the DMV tomorrow and
we wait for the place like for 4 weeks and barely get it today.
Oh, really?
And it's been expired since a few.
Oh, really?
and they have
No,
it.
the paper, the title,
Yeah.
whatever they wanted, they weren't sending it. So we went on the 1st of August. Like I said, we just ready to put those plates in there today.
Man, so they claimed the whole
They
loss for the
should've.
Wrangler. They never found
They
it.
should have.
They
I don't know
never
why
found it.
they
Jeez.
transferred it to
What year was
them.
it?
I don't know why
23.
they didn't.
Oh, so almost brand new, huh?
Yeah,
Like
almost
we
brand
ended
new.
up in here. Like I thought I killed someone.
These gladiators
When
are
you
pretty
guys
cool though.
pull me like
And the
that,
thing
I'm
is,
like,
my wife
"What?"
wants to keep in the place. I mean,
Yeah.
we
And
got the
like I
place
said,
for a
I
couple
do
years
always
already.
have my gun
Yeah.
with me, and I have permission.
I mean,
to
yeah,
come with
I
like I
again
said, I was in the
just go to the
hospital with my
DMV
daughter.
tomorrow and explain
So,
that
and
it's not showing up on our system as like a white Wrangler or a white Gladiator, and it's still popped up as stolen. So they gotta change that for you guys.
oh no, she knows better. She can.
As the female officer finishes helping Ms. Sanchez, a high-stakes felony stop concludes not with citations, but with basic administrative advice.
How much do
That's
these
how
Gladiators
Wrangler-
usually run?
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Like how much do they usually cost?
We get for 26,000.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And this is the different one. So this
It's actually
is
not a bad price.
No, it's not, but
This case highlights the high stakes of syncing administrative data with real-time field operations. An innocent family paid the price for a system that was quick to flag a vehicle, but slow to update a cleared record. What do you think about how these officers handled the resolution? Drop your analytical take below. To help fund the open records and FOIA requests that make these deep dives possible, check out our investigator tiers on Ko-fi. See you on the next audit.